an exciting video. I'm really excited about this video. I am unboxing the Secret Possibilities, sorry you can see my lights, the Secret Possibilities advent calendar. It is a fragrance body mist advent calendar. I paid $14.99 and I think that works out about 63 pence a day. This is a 24-day advent calendar. You're getting a body mist, a body fragrance on every day. If you's watching me and you's watched me for a while, you's know I love perfume, I love fragrances. I've never heard of this brand, so I don't know whether you're getting the same fragrances, but it does say, including the limited edition fragrance Kissing Under the Mistletoe. So I'm really excited about unboxing this. This is working out 63 pence a day, so I'm dead excited. And we're just going to unbox it. So literally it is a door unboxing one, which makes me nervous. I'm getting used to the drawer ones now. So we want day number one. Number one is Sheer Passion fragrance body mist. These are 25 mils. It looks quite nice. The bottle is quite nice and aesthetically nice. I thought they might look a bit cheaper looking, but actually they're not that bad looking, to be honest, for a body mist. And I feel like that smells like it's got it's very sweet. It says it's got red apple, freesia, pomme rouge, and freesia again. So it's got 2 lots of freesia. Right, so we want day number 2, which is here. And I'm going to put them in piles whether we get the same fragrance more than once. Number 2 is Flirtatious Love. And this is apple blossom and peach, pomme, flirt, and peach again, or peachy fragrance body mist. Same size. Oh, I do not like that. That's awful. I think it's the peach I don't like. I don't like that one. No, I don't like that. Day number 3. I wouldn't even gift that to somebody. I dislike it that much. We have got Sparkling Romance. This is Wild Berries and Prosecco fragranced body mist. Okay. That's lovely. You can get like the after scent of the Prosecco, like an alcohol scent, but it's nice. It's not like that blue one. That blue one was awful. We want day number 4, which is here. And this is called Love Struck. That sounds nice, isn't it? This is orchard and apple leaf. So everything I think has had apple in up to now. That is so light and fresh. It's just barely their scent. It's really nice. If you're not much into scents, that is like barely their scent. That is nice. I like that one. Really nice. That was day number 4. We went day number 5, which is here. Right, I think we might have our first repeat. Have we? We've got our first repeat, which is Sparkling Romance. And I like that one, I remember. So we've had our first repeat, so that's day number 5. I'm hoping that's not going to be the way it is all the way through. Day number 6. Day number 6 is Swept Away, and this is White Grapefruit and Bergamot. I don't like that one either. There's something about it. It's a bit like the blue one. It's got that afterish smell that the blue one's got. I'm not keen on that. Right, that was day number 6. We want day number 7, which is here. Number 7 is called Vanilla Kisses, and this has got Oriental vanilla in. I'm normally not really a vanilla person. My partner loves vanilla. That's a very light vanilla. I actually like that. Yeah, I like that. The thing about vanilla, I don't think I would want to wear it. I always associate vanilla with a home scent, so I probably would use that as more like a fragrance for the house. But it is nice. But it's not something I would wear as a perfume. That was day number 7. So we went to day number 8, which is here. Number 8. Day number 8 is tantalizing mango. It says just mango nectar. Okay. Oh wow, that's full on mango. That is mango. I like that. It's very summery. I would associate that in the summer, but that is very mango. I like that. Yeah, I like that. Right, we want day number 9, which is here. 9 is alluring amber. Sultry amber. That reminds me of my nana. It's like totally not something she would wear, but it reminds me of like my nana's house. I love that. Like, I love that. That is my favourite up to now. I don't know whether it's just because it brought me to my nana. I like that one. That is really, really nice. Really good. Love that one. Right, we want day number 10, which is here. I've got another duplicate. This is the Flirtatious Love one. I do not like this. I think it is rather stinky, in my opinion. So that was day number 10. We wanted day number 11. I might just put them ones in the toilet for the toilet fresheners. Or donate them. Somebody might like them, but I don't. Right, day number 11, yeah. Day number 11 is a different one, and we have got Hope in the Air, Sparkling Bergamot. Oh, that's beautiful. I would definitely wear that. I can't describe it. It's really nice. It's a fragrance, but it's very light and airy. Yeah, I like that. That's my second favourite. That and the alluring amber. Right, so we want day number 12. Wow, we're 12 already. Up in this top corner. Day number 12 is Blissful Love. I'm just checking to see if we've got that. No, we haven't. This is Cherry Blossom and Musk. Oh, I love Cherry Blossom and I love Musk. See if I like them together. No. I don't like them together. Yeah, I don't like that one either. All the ones I don't like have something in them that I don't like. There's like some sort of after scent sort of thing that I don't like in them. I don't know what it is. Yeah. Right, that was day number 12, so we want day number 13. Number 13 is called Addicted to Love. I thought we had this, but it's not. This is red berries and lily. What different mix. That's very fruity. That is full on fruity. You wouldn't even have guessed that had lilies in. That is full on berry fruity. I like that. That's really nice. Yes, I like that one. Right, that was day number 13, I think, wasn't it? Yeah, day number 13. So we went day number 14, which is in this bottom corner. Addicted to Love, which is the one we've just opened. I'm positive it is. Yeah. Nice. Right, so that's day number 14. We want day number 15, which is here. I've got Coconut Desire. I'm nervous about this. I don't like the smell of coconuts normally. This is sweet coconut. Some people love the smell of like coconut scents and knocks me sick sometimes. If you like coconut scents, you would like that. It is definitely a coconut scent. It's definitely not for me though. Yeah. We want day number 16, just up in this top corner. We have got that alluring amber again. Day number 16, alluring amber. That's beautiful. That is day number 17, which is this top corner one here. Green swept away one. I didn't like this. I'm not going to spray it again. I don't want to spray it. Day number 18, which is this one here. We have got, that one was very loose on, Coconut Desire. Yeah, not keen on that one. Right, we want day number 19, which is down in this bottom corner. We got Tantalizing Mango. That was nice. It was very mango-y though. Right, so that was 19. We want day number 20, which is up in the top here. We have got Blissful Love. Can't remember whether I like this one. It was the cherry blossom and musk one, wasn't it? Yeah, I don't think I like this one. I remember thinking, perfect combination. I love both. Oh, it's horrible. It's horrible. I'm so sorry. I'm never normally this negative. That is really horrible. Oh no, 21, sorry. We've just done 20. That's awful, that. I don't know how that got passed as a scent. We have got Vanilla Kisses. Let's just spray this, even though we've had this. Just get rid of that last scent, because it stinks. That's probably my least one. Yeah, you spray around there. That's nice. The Vanilla Kisses is nice. It's a very home spray scent to me, but that Blissful Love is awful. Cherry Blossom Musk. I love the smell of cherry blossoms. I love the smell of musk though. Can't get over how I don't like it. Right, we want day number 22. And we have got another duplicate of Love Struck. Now I think I like this one. This was Orchard and Apple Leaf. Did I say this one was fresh? Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, that's really nice. That's nice. That is nice, and especially compared to that last one. So we're on day number 23. I'm sure we've only got one that we haven't got a duplicate of. Oh no, we've got two. Have we missed a door? Have I missed a door? You know what I'm like for missing a door. I'm checking no. Right, day number 23. Number 23 is Hope in the Air. What did I like? Did I like this or not? Bergamot and crisp apple. I don't think I did I? Oh no, I like that. Did I like it when I first sprayed the other one? I can't remember. But that one smelled nice. Unless some are like, I don't know, maybe been stored wrong? I don't know. But that one was nice. I can't remember whether I said I liked it the first time round. And day number 24, the Pistol of Resistance. We have got a big bottle of Kissing Under the Mistletoe, and it is 100 ml. Yeah, I'm hoping I like this since this is the big one. This is Dewey, Freesia and Daisy. Let's see. Yeah, it's pleasant. It's not the nicest one, but it's nowhere near as bad as some of them ones. Like, whoa, some of them were really smelly. What do I think of this Advent calendar? You get a lot of duplicates, or if you don't like one, you most likely are going to get a duplicate. The only one that we didn't get a duplicate of was the Sheer Passion. Everything else we got two of. Why couldn't we've had two of this and not two of that Blissful Love? Because that is the worst one. Right, there's four I think I don't like the smell of, and then the other ones I'm a bit wishy-washy about, but they're nice. I wouldn't like rush out and buy them. I wouldn't rush out and buy any of these scents, to be honest. My partner says I'm an easy person to buy scents for. I like quite a lot of scents, and I do. I like a variety of scents. Like my sister is very fussy. She only likes one perfume. She's branched out to another one this past year, but she only wears two perfumes her whole life. And she's very fussy. Whereas I like Lancome, I like Black Opium, I like Pound Shop perfumes. I like lots of different perfumes, basically, is what I'm saying. And I felt like some of these were really smelly in a bad way. And for me to say that, someone like me, I feel like they were. But fragrance is very much personal preference. And we were paying 63 pence a day. And I think it's went down to 11.99 now. Not 100% sure, but I think it has. Probably because some of them are so smelly. So yeah, I wouldn't personally recommend this. I'm so sorry, Secret Possessions. I really am. Because Secret Possibility, sorry, I wouldn't personally recommend this because of how bad some of the scents were. But if you really want to try new scents and you're a little bit more, well, I think I'm open-minded. But if you really want to try them, I think it's different. But yeah, it's just wasn't what I wanted it to be honest. The ones that are nice though. But like, yeah, I wouldn't purchase it as a gift for somebody, and I wouldn't repurchase it either. I've never tried this brand of products either, so maybe all their scents are like a bit like that, or maybe it was just maybe some have been stored wrong. I'm going to spray them on a piece of card and then compare the two, because I've got a lot of the scents, because I'm positive I didn't really like one of these blue ones, but I like the other. Wait there, I'm going to test it actually. Actually, no, I like both of them. I don't know, maybe they need just a bit of shaking up. I don't know. I'm going to give them a spray on a card and see how I feel. But yeah, I'm really on the fence about this one. But my personal opinion, I wouldn't purchase this as a gift, and I wouldn't purchase this again as the way I feel now. So that's my opinion. Yeah. Yeah. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was something different. If you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below. I'll have this Aran candle link down below just in case you want to try it. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.